Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you want to use your Google Sites for portfolio, then this video is for you. Actually, Google Sites offers only one portfolio theme that you can use. You can just customize it by tap on it and it will open the portfolio page, the portfolio site for you with the whole structure here. So you can just edit according to your needs. Now you have to customize it perfectly so that you can attract your clients. Now here you can find very all types of elements that you can use to customize your page and complete your page, or you can use a complete themes. But tap on these themes, you will find the upload option, this import theme option. So you can import a theme from the website, from third-party website, that you can download a attractive portfolio theme that you can edit actually. Now for that you can just go to the Stigl, and from here you can just go to the Google Sites, and from here you will find the actually, let me show you for templates here, and go to templates, and from templates you will find the free option here. Now go to the free, and you will find this page here, and you will find different types of free templates that you can use. Here is some of the templates. Here is some of templates, so you can use it. Now I'm going to choose one of the templates from here, for example this one. So this will show you the preview of this, actually this website here. So you can see this is the preview of that website, so you can customize it according to your needs. So you can just add your work examples here, or your case studies, or any other thing, or your experiences also. Now if you want to get the template for free of charge from this website, then you can find this option here, get now free option here. You can just tap on it, and from here it will just uh, redirect you to the Google Forms, where you can just enter some details about you. Now tap on next, tap on this record to your Gmail. Now you have to enter your first name. I'm going to enter my first name here, and the last name also. Let me correct it. Now tap on next here again. Now from here you have to choose the template. So you have to choose the name of the template, like photography template here. So you can just choose it from here. Choose it from here. Where is the photography actually? Here it is, iconic photography free. You can just tap on it, and from here you will find template uses. So you can just choose it as an individual, as a student, as an organization. So I'm going to choose as an individual. Now tap on next here again. So here you can find that what are you primarily interested in using Google Sites for. So I'm for portfolio, I'm going to write it. And are you interested to exploring our paid services in addition to the free template? So maybe in future. I'm going to tap on it now. Tap on next here. So additional paid services, here is the paid services. Which paid service are you interested in? So if you're interested in custom site design, or migration support, or training, or workshop, or other, you can just select the other thing here. So I'm going to choose one of them from here. Now tap on next button, and the contact, would you like us to contact you regarding our paid services? So no, I will contact you if needed, or you can just go with the first option also. That's doesn't matter actually. Now from here you'll find the content constant consent. Actually you can just read it, and here you'll find that, do you consent for Stigl to respond? Yes, please contact me, or yes, please send email updates about Stigl products. No, do not contact me. Now tap on next, select one of them, and tap on next. And here is a finishing process. Then you can just tap on submit to submit your service here. Now you can see I have just submit my form here. Now we can just go to the home again. Now tap on get it for free, not like this actually. Now next here, sorry. So it will just send you they have just get they have just received your request, and you can expect it to see that site template within an hour. So you can just wait, and you can just find the template in your Google Sites, actually in your home Google site homepage, where you can find that template on your email. So here you can see it has just immediately just add the template to my email. So make sure that you are signing with the same email that you have added to your Google Sites. Then you can find your this template here. Now you can just edit it according to your needs. So you can just edit the photo here. So let me show you. Now from here you have to wait and tap on it, and you can just tap on this button here, and it has just it doesn't give me the access right now to edit this template. So you can just edit this template this to create a better portfolio to attract customers. So that's how you can just use Google Sites to create a portfolio site. Hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.